What's up, everybody? In this video, I'm going to show you how to resolve Binance Smart Chain error issue when you're trying to assign a transaction, or for example, when you're interacting with some kind of dApp or an app on a Binance Smart Chain. And in some cases, when you're trying to sign a transaction, it fails and it gives you a different error. So one of the errors on a mobile device, you're going to see something like Internal JSON-RPC error on MetaMask Binance Smart Chain. This is on the mobile device, and on actual computer, most likely if you are interacting again with some kind of dApp, you'll get oops, something went wrong, or something like that. And in many cases, a lot of people are recommending just to maybe re-add a chain into your MetaMask, and in some cases it does help, but in other it doesn't. So I'm going to show you an example. I'm going to show you the error, and I'm going to show you how I was actually able to sign a transaction and error would not appear. So I'm going to go to this dApp, and I'm already connected with my MetaMask. So right here, I'm going to join a whitelist for this project because I already applied for this one. And when I press on it, right here, I'm just going to press on join whitelist. And as you can see, I got transaction popped up, and right here it says unknown processing time. So this is one of the issues, but I'm just going to let it go, and I'm going to press on confirm, and we're going to wait. And as you can see right here, while formatting output from RPC, value code, transaction, underpriced. And then you can try it again. And then if we go back into the MetaMask, let's see if we'll have an error or not. And see, sign up failed. And I actually lost a little bit of money. To avoid this issue, what you need to do, go back again, join whitelist. And then once this is gonna appear in here where it says site suggested, press on that. And a lot of people are suggesting to press on aggressive. I found out that the best work for me when I press on low and then scroll down and then press on confirm. And let's wait. And that's it. Success. Your wallet is now whitelisted. And if we go back here into MetaMask, as you can see, the sign up was confirmed. So the thing you just have to do is just to set the transaction fee to low. You can try different medium or aggressive, but I notice best work for me when I set to low and then just confirm. Possibly it's gonna cost you 1 cent more or maybe 2 cents more, but then your transaction is actually gonna go through. And this is pretty much it. Hopefully this video was helpful for you and you're gonna be able to solve your Binance Smart Chain issues in the future. Thanks for watching.